Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today let's talk a little bit about what's going on as Bitcoin is dipping down just one day after the massive news for cryptocurrency where XRP is officially not considered a security. Now, XRP went flying up, and as that price was moving up and getting listed on Coinbase, I set out a warning for my channel and for the followers of the Crypto Report to say, hey, don't FOMO in. That's not what I'm doing. When people are panic buying, you are taking profit typically. And when people are panic selling, that's when you take advantage, buy the dip, and dollar cost average in again. Now, as we saw, markets are coming down today. Why? Really, in my opinion, it's just because it's time for a little retracement after a little bit of excitement. Not to say that XRP won't hit $1, and not to say that Bitcoin won't keep going up in the month of July. But let's talk a little bit about what's going on, some of the recent stories that might also be dragging the market down a little bit today. In addition to, hey, maybe we just need a little bit of a cool off after the excitement for the big news that happened with the XRP case. Guys, let's hop into the content. If you like the video, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, and at 10,000 subscribers, we just gave away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and we are doing many more giveaways for our loyal members and subscribers on the channel. So check it out, guys, and let's get in it. Now, right now, the overall market cap's still above 1.2 trillion. Bitcoin dominance is a little bit down, and there still may be some room for Bitcoin dominance to go up. But one thing I'll look at in my video later today is Bitcoin dominance does go down over time, guys, which you got to keep in mind. So if you are holding altcoins, it's looking pretty decent for you right now because Bitcoin went up to like 32K, and Ethereum went up to like 2K and held its price pretty good. So did some of these other altcoins right now. You can still see XRP is still up 50%, whereas in the last 7 days, Bitcoin's only up 0.13%. So some of these altcoins, guys, XRP, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin are getting a big move against Bitcoin right now, which is really helping altcoins in a little bit of a rally and just sustaining this price. So if you're holding some altcoins, you're probably pretty happy right now. Looking at the overall market cap, we are still headed up on the week. We are still green, but we have to acknowledge that, hey, you know, here's the XRP candle for Bitcoin. News came out, extremely bullish, and then the next day, a little bit of a cool off. I think that some of the people that have been holding Ripple for a while, the XRP token, took a little bit of profit, and even, you know, I have a cousin, guys, he holds a lot of XRP, and he said, you know, this thing goes up, it comes down. XRP cooling off a little bit, which is what we're seeing. But it doesn't mean that people that were short selling it didn't get wrecked. XRP short sellers had the highest losses in 2023 after this big court ruling. XRP got over a $40 billion market cap, which was very huge. And since then, we have retraced a little bit. As you can see right now for the price of XRP versus Bitcoin, it is doing pretty well, looking a little bit exhausted. As for XRP versus the dollar, we had a really big wick, guys, and just challenged these previous little peaks here. And it seems like we're cooling off. And I'll be honest with you guys, I think that it is possible that XRP could come back down maybe to this 56, maybe even 50-cent level. So if you guys dollar cost averaged in and FOMO'd in a little bit here, that's fine, guys, because I really do believe that in the future, XRP is going to challenge its previous all-time highs, which is at $2. So still a 2x there, and some people are looking at a 10 and even higher price point, $10 price point, and even higher for XRP, which we'll see how that plays out. But right now, guys, overall market cap is looking good. Altcoins are strong versus XRP. Now, versus Bitcoin. But one of the reasons, guys, that you got to be keeping an eye out for some of these stories is there is FUD out there. Now, maybe this is one of the reasons why the market cooled off a little bit. I likely think it's more so the fact that we just needed to kind of cool off after a big panic buying session after the big news for XRP that everybody's been anticipating. Buy the rumor, sell the news. There was excitement, and then now the excitement's a little bit over because we're not in a true bull market yet. But maybe a reason we're coming down is because Binance reportedly laid off over 1,000 employees as they're grappling with the SEC lawsuit. The SEC lawsuit isn't much of a threat. Fortune magazine's crypto publication, you know, kind of a FUD-like article and a looming DOJ investigation, which is true. The DOJ has alleged that they're investigating against Binance, but CZ, the leader, the CEO of Binance, came out and said, you know, we didn't terminate that many people. There are terminations. They weren't necessary, but the numbers that the media are reporting are way off, calling it, again, number 4, FUD. But he looks at the bright side. Bad news is good news. They're hiring, and this just gets them more exposure in the news, and they've been building. The fact is, guys, if you're in crypto, even if you're a crypto company or you're a retail investor, your plan is, here I go, I'm just going to go right to the finish line. But the reality is there's barbed wire, there's cobwebs, there's spikes, and there's pits of water with sharks in it on your way. These paths in crypto ain't easy. If you're an investor, it ain't easy to make a bunch of money. You got to be cautious, guys. You got to be aware. You got to be in it also, in my opinion, for the long haul. But, you know, none of this is financial advice, guys. We just watch the trajectory of this thing. We see all the good news that's coming out, and there's going to be up days, there's going to be down days, and I think we got a lot more up days ahead of us, guys. Right now, again, Crocoin rallying versus Bitcoin. You look at Solana rallying big time versus Bitcoin. You look at Binance looking like it wants to rally versus Bitcoin because the altcoins are strong right now, which is very, very cool to see. And for XRP, Solana, Binance, Crocoin holders, I think you could see some pretty good times ahead. And there's a chance, guys, that altcoins may start to rally. Not a true altcoin season, but start to rally against Bitcoin over the next month. And then we'll kind of reassess it when the FOMC meeting comes with Federal Chair Jerome Powell, and we see what they do with whether or not they raise the interest rates, which I likely think they'll do, which may make out for a little bit of a bearish August and September, which could make for great buying opportunities yet again. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, guys. That is all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.